Which of the following plant structures is a modified stem that facilitates vegetative propagation? NEET 2023. A. Tuber. B. Rhizoid. C. Fibrous root. D. Leaf tendril. The correct answer is A. A tuber, such as a potato, is a modified stem used for storage of nutrients and vegetative propagation. Rhizoids and fibrous roots are part of the root system, while leaf tendrils are modified leaves. In which type of vascular bundle are xylem and phloem arranged in a radial manner, with alternate arrangements in different radii? NEET 2022. A. Collateral. B. Bicollateral. C. Radial. D. Conjoint. The correct answer is C. In radial vascular bundles, xylem and phloem are arranged alternately on different radii. Such vascular bundles are found in roots. In collateral and bicollateral, xylem and phloem are adjacent to each other. Which plant hormone is responsible for promoting seed germination by inducing the breakdown of starch into sugar? NEET 2021. A. Auxin. B. Gibberellin. C. Cytokinin. D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is B. Gibberellin promotes seed germination by stimulating the production of enzymes that convert stored starch into sugar. This sugar is used as energy for the growing embryo. Which of the following is not a characteristic of plants? NEET 2021. A. Cran's anatomy. B. PEP carboxylase enzyme. C. Bundle sheath cells. D. High photorespiration. The correct answer is D. Plants minimize photorespiration through a specialized mechanism involving Cran's anatomy in PEP carboxylase in mesophyll cells. Photorespiration is typically low in plants. Which enzyme catalyzes the conversion of oxaloacetic acid into malic acid in plants during carbon fixation? NEET 2020. A. Rubasco. B. Malate dehydrogenase. C. PEP carboxylase. D. Pyruvate kinase. The correct answer is B. Malate dehydrogenase converts oxaloacetic acid into malic acid in plants. This is a crucial step in the carbon fixation pathway, particularly in the mesophyll cells. Which stage of mitosis is characterized by the complete alignment of chromosomes at the cell's equatorial plate? NEET 2019. A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. The correct answer is B. In metaphase, chromosomes are aligned at the metaphase plate, equatorial plate. This ensures that each daughter cell receives an equal set of chromosomes during anaphase. In which of the following processes does the fusion of male and female gametophytes not result in the production of a zygote? NEET 2019. A. Parthenogenesis. B. Fertilization. C. Syngamy. D. Triple fusion. The correct answer is A. Parthenogenesis is the development of an organism from an unfertilized egg cell. It does not involve the fusion of gametes, and hence, no zygote is formed. What is the most significant role of the Casparian strip in the roots of vascular plants? NEET 2018. A. It facilitates the lateral transport of water. B. It blocks the passive flow of materials into the vascular cylinder. C. It promotes the diffusion of solutes into the phloem. D. It aids in nutrient absorption. The correct answer is B. The Casparian strip, found in the endodermis of plant roots, acts as a barrier that prevents the passive flow of substances into the vascular system, ensuring selective absorption. Which component of the plant cell wall is primarily responsible for its rigidity and resistance to compression? NEET 2017. A. Cellulose. B. Pectin. C. Lignin. D. Chitin. The correct answer is A. Cellulose microfibrils provide structural integrity and rigidity to the plant cell wall. Pectin contributes to wall flexibility, while lignin is more common in secondary walls. Which of the following processes directly leads to the formation of seeds in angiosperms? NEET 2016. A. Double fertilization. B. Pollination. C. Meiosis. D. Gametogenesis. The correct answer is A. In angiosperms, double fertilization results in the formation of a diploid zygote, which develops into a seed, and the triploid endosperm, which provides nutrition to the developing embryo. Which of the following is a xerophytic adaptation found in desert plants? NEET 2016. A. Thin cuticle. B. Sunken stomata. C. Wide leaves. D. Increased stomatal density. The correct answer is B. Sunken stomata reduce water loss in xerophytic plants by minimizing exposure to dry air. This adaptation helps retain moisture in harsh desert environments. In which stage of the Calvin cycle is carbon dioxide fixed into an organic molecule? NEET 2015. A. Regeneration. B. Reduction. C. Carboxylation. D. Phosphorylation. The correct answer is C. During carboxylation, carbon dioxide is fixed to ribulose bisphosphate, RUBP, by the enzyme Rubasco to form 3-phosphoglycerate, which is the first stable product of the Calvin cycle. Which of the following is the primary pigment involved in photosynthesis? NEET 2014. A. Carotenoids. B. Chlorophyll A. C. Chlorophyll B. D. Xanthophyll. The correct answer is B. Chlorophyll A is the main pigment involved in the light reactions of photosynthesis, capturing light energy to drive the synthesis of ATP and NADPH. Which of the following is the major role of magnesium in the chlorophyll molecule? NEET 2023. A. Serves as an electron donor in photosynthesis. B. Provides structure to chloroplast membranes. C. Acts as a central ion to bind and coordinate the chlorophyll molecule. D. Facilitates the binding of carbon dioxide. The correct answer is C. Magnesium acts as the central ion in chlorophyll, binding the porphyrin ring and enabling the absorption of light during photosynthesis. Which of the following processes does not occur in the chloroplast stroma? NEET 2022. A. Calvin cycle. B. Protein synthesis. C. Photophosphorylation. D. Fatty acid synthesis. The correct answer is C. Photophosphorylation occurs in the thylakoid membranes, not the stroma. The Calvin cycle, protein synthesis, and fatty acid synthesis occur in the stroma. Which part of the seed develops into the root system of a germinating plant? NEET 2021. A. Radical. B. Plumule. C. Cotyledon. D. Endosperm. The correct answer is A. The radical is the embryonic root of the plant and develops into the primary root during germination, while the plumule forms the shoot system. In which phase of the cell cycle does DNA replication occur, leading to the doubling of chromosomes? NEET 2020. A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. M phase. The correct answer is B. DNA replication occurs during the S synthesis phase of the cell cycle, doubling the amount of DNA in preparation for cell division. In legumes, nitrogen fixation is accomplished by symbiotic bacteria belonging to which genus? NEET 2019. A. Azotobacter. B. Clostridium. C. Rhizobium. D. Nitrosomonas. The correct answer is C. Rhizobium bacteria form symbiotic relationships with legumes, fixing atmospheric nitrogen into a form usable by plants. Which of the following describes the arrangement of vascular bundles in a dicot stem? NEET 2018. A. Scattered. B. Radial. C. In a ring. D. Concentric. The correct answer is C. In dicot stems, vascular bundles are arranged in a ring around the pith, whereas monocots have scattered vascular bundles. In which of the following plants would you find specialized structures known as pneumatophores? NEET 2017. A. Mango. B. Mangrove. C. Cactus. D. Mustard. The correct answer is B. Pneumatophores are aerial roots found in mangroves that help in gas exchange in waterlogged soils. Which stage of meiosis is characterized by the formation of tetrads and crossing over between homologous chromosomes? NEET 2016. A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. The correct answer is A. Prophase is marked by synapses and crossing over between homologous chromosomes, resulting in genetic recombination. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of a monocot leaf? NEET 2015. A. Reticulate venation. B. Parallel venation. C. Presence of petiole. D. Dorsiventral leaf. The correct answer is B. Monocot leaves typically exhibit parallel venation, where veins run parallel to each other, unlike the reticulate venation in dicot leaves. Which of the following plant tissues is responsible for the growth in thickness of stems and roots? NEET 2014. A. Apical meristem. B. Lateral meristem. C. Intercalary meristem. D. Cork cambium. The correct answer is B. Lateral meristems, such as the vascular cambium and cork cambium, are responsible for the secondary growth, which increases the girth of stems and roots. The condition in which both male and female reproductive organs are present in the same flower is known as NEET 2023. A. Monoecious. B. Dioecious. C. Hermaphroditic. D. Unisexual. The correct answer is C. A hermaphroditic flower has both male, stamens, and female, carpels, reproductive organs. Monoecious plants have both types of flowers on the same plant, while dioecious plants have male and female flowers on different plants. In C3 plants, the first stable product of carbon fixation during the Calvin cycle is NEET 2022. A. 3-phosphoglycerate. B. Oxaloacetic. C. Pyruvate. D. Malic. The correct answer is A. In C3 plants, carbon fixation results in the formation of 3-phosphoglycerate, a 3-carbon compound, which is the first stable product of the Calvin cycle. In which type of plant does double fertilization result in the formation of both a zygote and endosperm? NEET 2021. A. Bryophytes. B. Gymnosperms. C. Angiosperms. D. Pteridophytes. The correct answer is C. Double fertilization occurs exclusively in angiosperms, where one sperm fertilizes the egg to form a zygote, and another sperm fuses with the polar nuclei to form the triploid endosperm. Which plant hormone plays a significant role in apical dominance by inhibiting the growth of lateral buds? NEET 2020. A. Ethylene. B. Auxin. C. Cytokinin. D. Gibberellin. The correct answer is B. Auxin, produced in the apical meristem, inhibits the growth of lateral buds, a phenomenon known as apical dominance, ensuring vertical growth of the plant. The cohesion tension theory explains the movement of water in which part of the plant. NEET 2019. A. Phloem. B. Xylem. C. Root hairs. D. Guard cells. The correct answer is B. The cohesion tension theory explains the movement of water through the xylem, where water molecules cohere to each other and adhere to the walls of the xylem vessels.